The city of Seoul has launched the first early morning bus route in the country to operate with full autonomy across its entire journey, including typically restricted areas like school zones.
서울시가 전국 최초로 전 구간 자율주행하는 노선버스를 새벽 시간대에 배치해 운영을 시작했습니다. 이 버스는 종전과 달리 어린이 보호구역 등 일반적인 통제 구간에서도 수동 운전 없이 자율주행을 하게 됩니다. Okay, so we're talking about a fully autonomous route,
Yes.
and this runs from 구파발 to 양재.
Yes, pretty much all the way from top to bottom when it comes to
Yep.
Seoul. It's 23.5 kilometers. There's one round trip per day,
Yep.
and it leaves at 3:30 in the morning.
Yes.
So you've got to be up fairly early to get this bus.
그래서 지금 이제 3월 30일 새벽부터 운행 시작했어요.
네.
근데 숫자가 3월 30일 새벽 3시 30분.
Yes.
이때 이제 첫 운행이 시작이 됐는데 기존에 이제 741번 버스가 있습니다. 구파발에서 양재를 가는 오가는. 근데 요 구간인데 원래 741번 버스는 64개의 버스스토프에서 멈추게 되지만
네.
A가 붙은 이 자율주행, autonomous A 741번 버스 같은 경우에는 이제 같은 노선이지만 몇 개의 정류장은 스킵해요. 그래서 34개의 정류장을 이제 에서 멈추게 되죠. 근데 새벽 3시, 4시 요 시간대니까 많은 사람들이 이용하진 않겠지만 그래도 혹시 내가 요 시간대에 이 구간을 이용하는 사람이다. 그러면은 지금 당분간 무료 이용이고요. 한번 사용해 보시면 어떨까 싶습니다.
Yes, though it should be said it's not like a normal bus. You can't stand up on it. You have to sit down.
Yes, for safety reasons.
Yes, so there's only a room for 20 people, and that's including the driver. Because for safety's sake, there is a driver on board,
I see.
just in case anything might happen.
That's good.
And you do need to tap your transportation card. It may be
That's
free,
important.
but you have to log in and log out, as it were.
맞아요. 그래서 무료 운행 중이긴 하지만 교통카드를 그래도 기존처럼 태그하셔야 됩니다. 그래야지 이제 인식이 돼요. 요금은 부과가 되지 않더라도 이렇게 태그하셔서 이용하시면 되겠습니다. 네, 매일 일단 당분간 1회 운영 새벽 3시 30분부터 되니까요. 참고하시면 되겠습니다.
Yeah, let us know if you've been on it. Let us know if you'd like to
maybe.
ride this bus in the future.
Yeah, it's only been a day or two. A day, actually. So,
Yeah.
or two? So it was from 3:30 on the morning of the 30th, which
Yeah,
was yesterday.
So there's been
it's
two chances to
days.
ride down to
Okay.
Yangjae.
그래요. 혹시 타보신 분 계시면은 알려주세요. 자, 표현 보겠습니다. Full autonomy.
This is interesting because I don't normally use the word autonomy, and I don't see the word autonomy. I usually see autonomous.
Yes.
When describing some kind of machine, some kind of robot that doesn't need you and doesn't need anybody else to operate. So if something has autonomy or full autonomy,
Yep.
that means it's independent. It's self-controlling or self-governing. So it doesn't need to ask anybody, or it doesn't need help from anybody, and it doesn't need somebody with a remote control or a button to press.
그래요. autonomy라는 것은 이 자율성을 얘기하는데 여기서 말하는 건 자율주행 버스라는 걸 얘기하는 거고 그것도 완전 자율주행이니까 full autonomy. 문장 속에서는 어떻게 썼냐면 This bus will operate with full autonomy.
Yes.
이렇게 표현하고 있습니다.
Sometimes people can also operate with full autonomy.
can.
If your boss gives you autonomy, you do what you need to do to
Yes,
get this
yes.
job done.
We are not given full autonomy on this show.
Certainly not me.
But we're given, fair bit.
Yes, a certain amount of
A
autonomy.
lot of what we do is sort of ad-libbed. We're not reading from a script right now.
But Sue, some things are restricted.
Yes, that is true. What is restricted?
Well, if something's restricted, then it's limited in some way, or it's not allowed, or it's forbidden even. So in this case, we're talking about a restricted area, which is an area where you are not allowed. In this case, it was for autonomous vehicles. They were not allowed near schools, for example. So that would be a restricted area, a place where these autonomous vehicles are not allowed to go.
So if you see the sign restricted on a door,
Yeah.
that would mean 출입 제한. But in this case, we're looking at areas that are restricted. 그러면은 이제 제한 구역인데
네.
this would be about speed. For example, school zones.
Yes.
Normally with autonomous vehicles, they're not allowed to go through these zones. But this A741 bus is allowed to do that.
Yeah, so it's a big leap for autonomous vehicles.
그래요. 제한구역, restricted area. 다시 읽어보겠습니다. The city of Seoul has launched the first early morning bus route in the country to operate with full autonomy across its entire journey, including typically restricted areas like school zones.